Most people think bleeding gums are normal. They're not, and it could be one of the earliest signs of gum disease. Gum disease rarely causes pain in its early stages. That's why many people don't realize they have it until significant damage has already occurred. If left untreated, gum disease can contribute to tooth loss and may impact overall health and wellness. Today, technology is making gum disease care more accessible than ever. Dentulu combines virtual care, at-home treatment, and professional guidance into one connected experience. Patients work with dental professionals remotely while following a personalized treatment plan designed around their needs. The earlier gum disease is identified, the easier it is to address. Taking action today may help protect your smile for years to come. Learn more about Dentulu's at-home gum health solutions and professional support.